Tired of turning your scraps into an endless supply of cutting boards? Here's your solution. They're useful and everyone has at least one at their disposal. Combine them with the colorful world of exotic woods and you end up with one of the most beautiful utensils that you can quite possibly think of. We begin by creating a template out of ply that has dimensions just proud of regular A5 paper. Now choose your scraps. I have a huge variety of different exotic hardwoods just waiting to be resawn and turned into thin boards. If not square yet, I proceed to flatten and joint the pieces and get a pair of sides perpendicular. Over to the bandsaw, which is gonna be my main tool to work with. I take all the lumber and cut out the notebook rectangular shape by employing the template as a spacer. Some pieces are still too thick, so I resaw them to a thickness of about 5 mm. With that done, I use my drum sander to reduce all boards to their final thickness. Feel free to alternatively use a planer or entirely skip this step if your resawing is absolutely on point. Reality check though, it's definitely not. After this beautiful showcase of wood variety, I worked on my template a bit more by marking the holes of the A5 paper on it and drilling them out with a 5.5 mm drill bit. Then I was easily able to stick the template to my boards and drill out the holes there too. Nice! After that, the usual procedure which takes quite a while. Sanding until 320 grit and also giving all boards a firm chamfer using the random orbital too. And then I finish all those with my homemade wood butter. Back home, I then assembled the notebooks. I tried out different kinds of paper and 2 different kinds of bindings, with the first being those metal rings that can easily be opened for refilling of the pages later. And the other one involved leather strings, which is the more permanent method of binding the books. And that's already about it. This project is by far one of the easiest things you can quite possibly make out of your scraps, but also the most beautiful and useful utensil you will ever create. It's the perfect gift or present to someone if you want to make sure that it will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more content. And tell me down there in the comments which wood type is your favorite. Stay safe, have a great one, ciao!